Dude, it's like bloated. See, look at its butt.
That's its butt?
Yeah.
Poke it.
Kind of scared.
Did it move?
No, I don't know. Don't play with me, man.
Poke it. I'm so scared. Poke it.
Oh my god.
I think it's dead. Ew, that was so gross. Pull it out.
Me!
Yeah.
No, I get a recording and you get to pull it out.
Oh, hell no. Okay, go. They're probably like, what?
How are we gonna pull it out?
Like, get it wedged up there.
Oh my god, I think it moved!
It didn't move. You smacked it pretty good.
Oh
God,
my
this is
God.
so
No,
gross.
I think it like ate something and then it like...
Just grab its tail and pull it out.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna grab it!
Stop petting it, you creep.
See, that's the stick we used today.
Just reach out and grab its tail and pull it out.
No!
Go get rubber gloves from the shack. Look it. Dirties.
It's gross.
Don't, that's so gross. Don't hit it like that.
God, it makes a noise.
I know.
It's a...
Stop. Just reach in and grab it. Oh.
Like move.
Like wedge the stick up like on, stop it. Just like put the stick on top of it. Like you gotta get down low and like wedge the stick in there and like go like this.
You do it.
No!
You know how? I don't know how.
Oh
I
God,
don't know what
no!
you're talking about. I don't know.
Just do it.
I feel so confused.
There you go.
Watch it like pop out and then. Ah! That would be so gross.
Stop! That is so messed up. You're just like.
Hi, Mom.
Ugh.
What happened to it?
I don't know.
That is not the normal size of a squirrel.
Have you ever seen a squirrel up close? You're like petting it with a stick. That's so fucking tough. Good God, maybe your dad will help us.
Steve.